off-road with this crawler, and you can see I'm in the sand. And the cool thing about this little off-road truck is the fact that you have a camera, and also I just did this, guys, you can see I just put a tape. You have a camera, and also you have you can just use your phone. The reason why I can say you can use your phone, because you don't even need a controller, because everything's go by the app. And I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys. Now you guys can see, I mean, it has light on it, but we're gonna go ahead and go off-roading, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the app. And you don't even need your phone. There's a lot of things here that I'm gonna show you. I'm just using by my phone here, no controller needed. So I'll show it to you here. See, I'm on the app, and guess what, I can just use everything by the controller. I can go ahead and do what is this, a video. I can record, and you see, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just do my truck, and here you go, see, and I automatically go. Look at that, you see, off-roading. And then if I'll go this way, if it's not, look at that, and then I can just use this way, or I can go, look at that. Or if you don't want to use that one, you can just go back here to the app. I'm going to turn it off here, and then you can go back here and you can use the controller. Give me just a second. I can do a single, and then I got a dual controller, and then I'm gonna have, you see that, and then all I gotta do is go here, see, using my phone, and then I can record. You can still go up. See guys, I'm all the way over here, and this guy can go all the way up, and me, I'm just using my phone here. See, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do downhill. You see, going on down, or I can go back, reverse. Look at that, going reverse. Woo! All right, and then I want to go ahead and go this way. All right, I got stuck here in a tree. I'm sorry, on this little thick layers of sand. Again, I'm gonna go forward. Hold on, I'm gonna take this off here. See, just use your phone. You don't even need a controller, guys. And I'm able to go up, and then I'm going this way, and I can go right here, and it can give you, I'm in the video frame, and I can go and take pictures, you know. I go ahead and take picture. Hold on, see, just take pictures here, and I'm going downhill again. I know you can also do another thing here. Before you want to go ahead and use this app, you can also do a gyro, but if you want to do that, you want to make sure if you're in the middle, okay. And I'm going to use a truck. The reason why I'm saying that, because once, what do you call this, see, once you go this way, hold on for a second. All right, I'm gonna use a truck. I'm gonna go single. Okay, you see that? And then I'm gonna go use the truck. You see what I'm talking about? You want to make sure you have the phone label, and you can still go forward, and you can turn this way. See? And I'm still able to go downhill with it, just using, you know, just like you're driving, or you're, you know, you want to go this way. See, it's a little crawler. I mean, you know, you don't have to have power. I mean, it's a lightweight. It's enough to go up in a hill. See? Look at that little off-road. By just using the phone. See? Look at that. All right, now you want to make sure in the middle, so get away from it. You go back over here, and then you can use back here, and then you can do singles, and then now you can use this one by one hand. I want to show you guys this one here. See, you can go forward, you can just use one hand. See, and it's cool because you got 2 batteries that comes to this. And then if I want to, I could just go like this. See, going uphill. Look at that. No controller needed. And you got a camera. And you can go ahead and you can go downhill with it. Be honest with you, since I had this, I have not used the controller. Okay, see? All right, let's go ahead and go to the difficult one right here. I'm going this way. I'm going off-roading. Look at that. All right, and you just turn, and then you back up, and then you go forward. See? Look at that, guys. Lightweight. You can still able to climb. Let's go this way. And then you have your camera. I mean, for 70 something dollars, I mean, what else can you get for this price? That gas camera. So I'm just going out the trees, going over here, going off-road. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go this way. All right, it's my fault. You see? Look at the thing go. All right, I'm going downhill. Look at that, a lot of power. See? So it's not super fast, but it's enough to go climb. Now we're gonna go ahead and go climb again. Look at that go. Wow. I'm going over here. He finally flipped because he hit that. I'm just going with it. All right, I'm going above trees. All right, let's go ahead and get out of there. And then if I want to, I can go ahead and do dual. All right, and then I have a dual now. Now, if you want to have precision controlling, you can actually do dual. See? All right, let's go ahead and go to this difficult ride here. All right. You see that? And then you can go off-road with it. All right, let's go ahead. Now I'm going downhill by just using a phone. See? Let's go down there. Let's go reverse. Yeah, look at things power up. Look at that. Oh, woo. All right, okay, get out of there. Go this way. All right, got stuck in the sand a little bit. All right, get back out. There you go. Look at that. Still keep going to your destination where you want to go at. And you got the lights. So it's almost like a real four-wheel drive. And I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go reverse. All right, I'm gonna go back up. See that? It's sliding. It's drifting. It's drifting to the sand. It still made it up. Alright, see that? Just the phone. Okay, so I'll go back here again. If I want to use just the gyro, I go back to the truck. Okay. See what you want to do, you want to make sure. And then just go ahead and do see? Hold on. Go back here. You make sure you have it straight. The reason why, if you don't have it straight, it's gonna go everywhere like crazy. And now you can control it this way. I think I like this better, because I felt like, you know, I can just go like this. See? And then you can just go this way. So just know what your direction you're going. So if you go this way, you can see. See? And then I'm just gonna go ahead and flip it this way. And then I can go forward. And the more I go this way with the phone, the more it's gonna go forward. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that thing go. You know, I'm not really like into like that much on an RC, but it's also fun to do. I mean, I always do like drone review, but man, sometimes you wanna, you know, you wanna get a nice RC that, you know, they can do a crawler, they can go off-road, and you don't have to be super fast, just enough to go uphill. So all right, I'm going down, coming back down, going speed. See, no controller needed. It's awesome. And then I'm just going around this way. So I'm gonna go back uphill. Look at this crawler, man. Look at that. Just using your phone. All right. Boost. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo. Downhill. And then you just turn this way. Turn this way. And here you go. Oh, I'm gonna go back to that tree right here. Difficult sand. All right, that's the soft sand right there. Okay, go back this way. Get some boost. All right, gotta go back this way. All right, I'm gonna go back up. Yeah, I got it up there. All right, go back this way. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and go forward. All right, go back. It's still going. Yeah. All right. See, you also have grass in there. All right, I'm gonna go back this way. I'm gonna change it up to a truck, and then yep, and I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can do it. Yeah, it's a lot of sand out here, but it's trying. So I'm going back up. Going back up. Going drifting. Alright, reverse. Going back up. Look at thing go. And alright, I'm gonna go ahead and go this way. All this are like big desert sand or something, or grass. Coming down. Coming down. Look at that gravel. It's passing through the gravel. So like I said, man, it's fun, and you have a camera in there and it shows the stuff that you're going. All right, I'm gonna go back this way. Oh wow, she stuck a bamboo in there. I mean, they do the job. All right, I'm gonna go back up one more time. Whoops. Okay, here you go. Look at the thing going. All right. Okay. All right. Go back. All right, I'm gonna go one more forward. There you go. Yeah, lots of power. Look at thing go. I mean, where I'm at, I'm all the way over here. So it's good. Coming back downhill. It's coming. Look at that. Just using a phone. And I think it's a game changer. I mean, think about it. You don't really need a controller to go. I mean, you're going slow. You're not going like 100 miles an hour. So why you need a controller? And I think that's it. I think my battery died now because I haven't charged this for a while. But anyway, just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.